So today we are going to do the lesson cells and organisms, and the topic which we are going to do under this is microorganisms and disease. Learning objective to identify different microorganisms and the diseases caused by them. What is a disease? A disease is a disorder of structure or function in a human or animal or a plant. In all, you can say, children, that a disease is a disorder of the function or the structure in any of the living things. How many types of diseases are there? There are two types of disease, infectious and non-infectious. So today our target is going to be infectious disease. Infectious disease is the invasion and the multiplication of organisms such as bacteria, virus and parasites that are not normally present inside our body. Invasion means to attack. These are certain microorganisms, bacteria, virus and the fungus which attacks on our body and causes infectious disease in us. Let us learn about some of the diseases caused by some microorganisms, and we'll see what are those diseases called as and their causing agents. The very first one is the fungus. Fungus causes a disease called as athlete's foot, and the fungus which causes this disease, they are called as dermatophytes. Virus causes the disease influenza. Influenza is caused by the virus named as virus A, B or C. There are certain types of influenza virus. The next microorganisms which causes the infectious disease is protozoa. Protozoa causes many diseases. One of the disease which we will study is malaria. Malaria is caused by a small protozoa called as Plasmodium. And the last microorganisms which causes the infectious disease is the tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is caused by the bacterium called as Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is an infectious disease which is caused by the bacteria called as Mycobacterium. This bacterium is found inside the lungs. This disease can travel from one person to another person through air. It's an airborne disease. What are the symptoms of tuberculosis? A person will have severe cough. Sometimes during the cough, the person may also bleed. And finally, it may lead to the death of the person. What can be the medicine for this tuberculosis? The cure for this disease, tuberculosis, is antibiotics. So the next infectious disease which we will study is influenza. Influenza is caused by virus. What are the symptoms of influenza? A person may feel feverish, cough, he may have a sore throat, a runny nose, body ache, tiredness. These are some of the symptoms for influenza. What is the cure for influenza? Since influenza is caused by virus, so there is no such medicine for treatment of viral diseases. So it's better that the person should take plenty of rest and fluids. He should take fluid diet. Some places, some of the doctors may provide antiviral drugs. You can see in this picture the influenza virus here. And the symptoms of the influenza virus is that you can see this girl having the runny nose, suffering from cold and body ache. Now the next infectious disease is malaria. Malaria is caused with the help of protozoa. Protozoa are very small one-celled living things. They are found in stagnant water like pond water or open drains. Protozoa are carried by this Anopheles mosquito. Female Anopheles mosquito carries this protozoa from the water body and carries it to our skin. From our skin, this protozoa enters inside our body. Once the protozoa enters inside our body, it starts to multiply and increase in number. What are the symptoms of malaria? A person will feel extreme cold with shivering. What are the cure? What is the medicine for malaria? Chloroquine and other anti-malarial drugs are available in the market which can cure malaria. The next set of disease caused by a microorganism fungus are called as athlete foot. There are a variety of fungus. So the fungus which causes the athlete foot is called as dermatophytes. What are the symptoms of athlete foot? The person may have itchy feet and he may have sores in between his toes. As you can see here, in between the toes, there may be sores present. Sometimes it bleeds also. What is the cure? What is the medicine for this? The cure for athlete foot is to sprinkle some antifungal powder is there available in the market, or we should also keep our shoes clean, as much as possible keep the foot dry. These are some of the treatments for athlete's foot. What are antibiotics? Antibiotics are the substances produced by one type of microorganisms that kills another type of microorganisms. Remember, antibiotics can cure bacterial and fungal diseases, but not viral disease. Antibiotics do not have any effect on virus or viral infections. Let us do some review of what we have learned. There are three main types of microbes. These are, can you guess this one? B for what? V for and the F for? Good. Bacteria, virus and fungus. Can you check your answers, girls? Can you compare your answers here? You need a microscope to see the microbes. Is it true or false? Take your time and think. Microbes. Micro means very small. Do we need a microscope to see them? Very good. It's true. Check your answers. Please come. Okay, can we match up these pictures with their names? A, is it a virus, fungus or a bacteria? B is what? A virus, fungus or bacteria? Or C is virus, fungus or bacteria? C is a virus. Very good. What about B? B is fungus and A is bacteria. Very good. Keep it up, girls. Keep it up. So here is the right answer. Keep it up. Let's go to the next question. Pathogens which causes disease can be spread by water, food, air, direct contact, body fluids, animals, all of the above. That's correct. It's all of the above. Okay, disease transmission can be reduced or prevented by good hygiene. Do you think it's true or false? Absolutely correct. It's true. So here are few links for you. If you can click on these links, you'll find a little more details about the lesson to get a clear picture of what are microorganisms, how they cause infectious diseases and what are these diseases, what are the symptoms of the diseases. And below is one more link there. There you can do some activities based on this lesson. So there is a homework for you all in which you have to research and write a small newspaper report in an A4 size paper. In the above given format, you can see I have given a format there on top which should have a headline and it should have some quotations. Some place line should be there where the incident has happened, and some byline should be there, some examples you should put there related to the topic COVID-19 outbreak. The report should include some examples, a mode of transmission, how corona has spread, and you should also write about the agent, what is the reason behind this, is it a virus or bacteria or fungus, and mention the symptoms of coronavirus. How did the doctors or the world or the locality came to know that the other person is having corona? What were the symptoms and the signs, and what all precautions were taken in that particular area or in that country or in that place, and what is the next prevention for this corona? Was it a vaccination, or was it something like medicine, drugs? What was that? Mention all this in your A4 size newspaper report, and you can decorate your newspaper report, make some borders, put some pictures. You can paste some pictures about some masks and all those things. Okay, and see you soon. Bye bye.